Hello guys, welcome back to Zake the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix failed to connect to server using private server. So a lot of people have been facing this issue of connection failed to connect to the experience because one, and maybe using a VPN and the server is going to reject it because you can't be in a different location and be using a VPN for another. So first thing you have to do in order to fix it is to make sure you turn off your VPN if you're using one, right? And this issue is actually happening to the Asians and yeah, the Asians. So all you need to do is just to turn up your VPN if you use one, right? To check if it's going to work out for you. Because some uses it and it works out, why some have to actually turn on the VPN in order to change the location using the NOT to actually get access to it. So let's check the Google and see what it says about the problem recently. So it said you actually check your internet connection stability and that's your rotator again. So you can actually check your internet connection to be sure you have a very strong one. And as you can see, as I said, disable your VPN and firewalls and also check your server status, verify your servers are currently down at this link. So check using the link and you're good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. This is my next video. Bye.